We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be working on this Lexmark MS810. We're going to show you how to replace the fuser. It's actually a pretty simple process. If you're getting a replace fuser warning, you're going to want to make sure the printer's turned off and unplugged. Once you do that, we're going to look at the back of the printer here. You're going to pull down and open the back panel. And then if you lift straight up, you'll notice the panel comes right off, and you can kind of rotate it and set it off to the side. And then back here you'll see two black tabs. You're going to push down on both black tabs and rotate downward. And you see your fuser right here with these two little blue screws. You're going to unscrew the blue screws. You can use your finger. If it's really tight, you can use a flathead screwdriver. But for the most part, you should be able to do it with your fingers. Make sure both screws are unscrewed. You'll know when they're completely undone because they're spring loaded, so they'll actually come all the way out. Grab the handle and you're going to pull straight up. So to remove the fuser, now we're going to replace the fuser. So we're going to slide straight in and make sure it's pushed all the way in. We're going to finger tighten both screws. They don't have to be super tight, but we want to make sure they're nice and snug. And then close that. Make sure both clips are actually clipped into place. And rotate this back, making sure that you don't kink or twist that little black cable there. And we're going to put the cover back on, close it, and just like that we just replaced the fuser. It's a really simple process, and it'll keep you up and running. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.